Little storyteller.
Barnaby Bear was a kind and fuzzy bear with a big smile. He loved his forest home and all his friends. One sunny morning, Barnaby had a wonderful idea. "I will paint signs for the paths," he thought. "Then no one will ever get lost." Barnaby gathered his painting supplies: juicy red berries for red paint, soft brown mud for brown paint, and bright yellow flower petals for yellow paint. First, Barnaby found a smooth, flat stone near the sparkling river. He squeezed the red berries onto the stone and used a soft leaf as a brush. He carefully painted a big, bright red arrow pointing towards the sunny meadow. Next, Barnaby went to the tall trees where his friend Finley Fox lived. He mixed the brown mud with a little water to make a smooth, earthy paint. On a piece of bark, Barnaby painted a clever picture of a fluffy tail pointing towards Finley's cozy den. Later, Rosie Rabbit, with her soft white fur and twitchy nose, was hopping along the path. She saw a sign with bright yellow flower petals crushed into the shape of a carrot. The arrow made of petals pointed towards her burrow under the big oak tree. Rosie giggled. "Barnaby is so clever," she said. All day long, Barnaby painted signs. He made a bluebell flower shape pointing to Belinda Bluebird's nest, and a smooth gray stone with white berry juice painted into the shape of a fish, showing the way to Freddie Frog's pond. Each sign was a little work of art, made with love and care. As the sun began to set, all of Barnaby's friends gathered at the sunny meadow. They had followed his beautiful signs, and were so happy they didn't get lost. "Thank you, Barnaby," they all cheered. Barnaby smiled his big, fuzzy smile. He was happy that his natural art helped his friends. Freddie Frog hopped closer and pointed to a fish painted on a stone. "Did you know, Barnaby," he said, "that the colors from berries and flowers come from nature, just like us?" Barnaby nodded. It felt good to use nature's gifts to help his friends find their way. It showed that being creative and kind can make everyone happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.